Hey, look, there's more. Look, there's more over here. See? Right here. Come get him. Come get him. Look. Look, there's even more over here. A cat.
What are you doing?
Hey, come on.
Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Look at all of them, huh? Yeah?
Ew.
Hey. Is it? Hey, look at all of them. They're all over the ground. Huh? Yeah, go get them. Come here.
He just wants to eat. There. Look, Cohen. Look. He's like, I just want to chill. Yeah. You eat it? You like it?
There we go. This is gonna be an hour long.
Come on. Follow the eggs. That's better.
It's alright, just let them.
Hey, look.
Look at all the candy, huh?
Uh-oh. He's talking a lot.
Shadow. Oh, yeah? You like it? There's too many shadows. Barely see his face. Ooh, look, a spider. Maybe. Just drag the whole thing over underneath, right underneath the light. Hold on. Whoa! It's like, no, mommy.
There you go.
Whoa. You want the other stuff? Hey, 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 look. Look at all the other stuff, huh?
Look, Cohen.
You got lots of stuff. I don't care. I just want to flatten the carpet. Ha ha.
You like it? Good job. Let's go open the other stuff.
Ah. Hey, Cohen. Hey. Look. Whoa.
Cohen. Dominoes. Dominoes. You like dominoes, huh?
Look in here. Hey.
Look. It's a bug.
He doesn't understand about moving on to the next one.
Again. Again.
I guess that's good, right?
He likes it. Look, it's a book. He's like, no. Okay. He just wants the dominoes. Here. You want to see this?
Hey, look.
Look at this. Look. They come out.
Whoa. Oh.
Oh, close. Close. Over here.
He's just gonna get them all out.
Oh Whoa. You like that? He tries so hard to let him in.
Yeah.
Yeah? They're hard to get out, huh?
I guess I'm done with this video.
Okay.
He's just hanging out.
He's happy. He really likes this thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.